In their own words, Jamaican youth took over the seats in the upper house of Parliament today as they voiced their concerns about critical issues affecting the country. The 2019 Youth Parliament is part of activities marking Youth Month. Details in this report.
If there was any doubt that the voice of the youth didn't matter, 16-year-old Swedish environmental activist Greta Thunberg rose to prominence for her no-nonsense approach in her advocacy for action. She's taken on world leaders to address what she deems a climate crisis. Back home Monday, the nation's parliament was the stage where several youth advocates made their voices heard on a number of issues affecting the country.
We are proposing the implementation of electronic voting with specific interest on the inclusion of the diaspora into the voting process.
No surprise, crime was also a hot topic, given that many of the perpetrators fall below 25.
Youth violence is an epidemic. So much so that in 2002, a study by the World Health Organization revealed that youth violence occurs at an alarming rate of 9.2 per 100,000. This means violence is the leading cause of death for young people, and that is a travesty.
Madam Speaker, the opposition argues that social entrepreneurship and social enterprises can bridge the gap between crime and youth.
And like Greta Thunberg, the youth were also calling for action to combat the impact of climate change.
Mr. Speaker, we have been called upon to discuss this imperative global and national issue. For far too long, the discussion has been an academic discourse, disconnected from its practical implications on the common man.
Members of this honorable house, we are called to lead. Each of us must play our part now to champion the Sustainable Development Goals. Baby Jamaica cannot wait.
National Youth Month is being held under the theme Leading, Inspiring, Transforming.